Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the studio tour. Let's go to work. First up is the Akai MPK261 keyboard. Basically a spare keyboard that I have here, but just in case another musician comes over, we can jam out together. Next up is the Ableton Push 2. That goes along with my Ableton DAW. It has 64 pads and other controller knobs, great for programming in Ableton. Next up is the SC Moog 1, great for bass sounds, and the Kurzweil K2000R, great for the piano sounds back in the day. Next up is my speaker system that I have, Yamaha H7s and the JBLs. I like the H7s better. They have a better frequency response for me, and they sound incredible in the studio. Next up is my keyboard controller, the Complete Control S61. I love this keyboard because it has a mixer that you can see right on the screen. So it's very visual. So I love that in this keyboard. Next up is my DAW of choice for right now, which is Ableton Live 10. I just like this particular DAW because it helps me with my workflow. I get things done much quicker than other DAWs that I might use like Logic or Pro Tools. So Ableton Live does it for me right now. And on the left side of my desk in my rack is the Chord Trinity rack. That's one of my sound modules, the Roland JV1080 I've had forever. And my MU Planet Fat. Those were great pieces of gear back in the day. And the audio interface of choice is by UAD, the Apollo X6. And you can hear that right now because I'm recording right through that Apollo. But I love it because there's nearly zero latency, even if you're recording with effects. So UAD is a great ecosystem, and been loving it since I put it in the studio. And the last piece of gear is the Native Instruments Machine Studio. It's another drum module, even though you can program bass sounds and piano sounds or whatever in it. But I use it for different inspiration. It's different than the Ableton Push, so that's why it's made it into my studio.